step into one of the most extreme work environments on Earth, where precision meets perseverance at 18 degrees below zero. Extreme environment. Constant negative 18 degrees Celsius, or 0.4 degrees Fahrenheit, colder than most home freezers and maintained 24/7 for product integrity. Critical mission: preserving frozen foods, pharmaceuticals, and temperature-sensitive goods that millions depend on daily. Unique challenges: battling frost, ice buildup, and extreme cold that affects both people and machines in unexpected ways. Beyond the temperature reading, the real feel often drops closer to -30 degrees Celsius due to wind chill created by moving quickly through warehouse aisles. Unlike warehouse workers who generate body heat through physical activity, forklift drivers sit stationary, constantly exposed to biting cold without relief. Physical toll: numbness and reduced dexterity affecting precision. Joint stiffness limiting mobility and reaction time. Dehydration from dry, frigid air. Risk of frostbite on exposed skin. Core protection: extreme soft-shell jacket and bib overalls rated to -60 degrees Fahrenheit, providing maximum warmth and wind resistance for extended shifts. Hand protection: insulated mitts and gloves with touchscreen capability to maintain control of equipment while preserving dexterity. Foundation layers: thermal, moisture-wicking base layers and anti-slip insulated boots ensuring mobility, comfort, and secure grip on icy surfaces. Communication and face shield: PPE-compatible radios and balaclavas protecting exposed skin while maintaining clear team communication in harsh conditions. Mechanical strain: hydraulic fluids thicken, components become rigid, and battery capacity drops by 30 to 40%, reducing performance and range. Traction solutions: specialized polyurethane tires with microgrids or razor sipes provide critical grip on icy, slippery warehouse floors. Visibility issues: condensation and frost accumulate on windows, while safety glasses fog constantly, obscuring critical sight lines. Safety hazards: ice patches form from condensation, creating slippery zones that demand slower speeds and heightened awareness. Pre-shift forklift checks: thorough inspection of brakes, tires, hydraulics, battery charge levels, and all electrical systems before operation begins. Equipment warm-up: allowing forklifts to reach optimal operating temperature before full load operations, preventing mechanical failures. Ice management: continuously monitoring and removing ice buildup on floors, ramps, and equipment to prevent dangerous slips and damage. Immediate reporting: documenting and reporting any damage, malfunctions, or hazards immediately to maintenance teams to avoid accidents. Every movement matters. In the freezer warehouse, safety isn't just a priority, it's a survival skill. Operators must master slow, deliberate movements while maintaining constant awareness of their surroundings. Controlled speed: slow, deliberate driving maintains traction and control on slick, unpredictable surfaces. Vigilant scanning: constant awareness of pedestrians and other vehicles in low-visibility, frost-covered conditions. Communication protocols: using horns at intersections and maintaining safe distances from edges and storage racks. Load stability: never raising or lowering loads while moving to prevent dangerous tip-overs on icy floors. Managing cold stress: scheduled breaks in warmer zones allow drivers to recover body temperature and prevent cold-related health issues from developing over long shifts. Physical resilience: Ergonomic assessments help reduce strain from cold-induced stiffness, while proper hydration combats the dry, frigid air that accelerates dehydration. Mental toughness. Drivers must balance productivity demands with safety protocols, maintaining focus and precision despite physical discomfort and time pressure. Comfort technology. Heated forklift cabins and battery blankets dramatically improve operator comfort while extending battery life in extreme cold. Cold-rated components. Specialized lubricants and corrosion-resistant materials ensure machinery operates reliably at sub-zero temperatures. Advanced PPE design. Innovative protective equipment combines warmth with dexterity, integrated communication tools, and enhanced mobility. Facility engineering. Strategic airlocks, superior insulation, and moisture control systems minimize ice formation and temperature fluctuations. Unsung heroes. Forklift drivers in freezer warehouses ensure supply chain integrity, delivering the frozen products that millions depend on daily. Success factors. Achievement requires specialized gear, rigorous safety practices, continuous training, and exceptional human skill and resilience. The future. Through advancing technology and comprehensive training programs, we create safer, more efficient cold storage operations worldwide. Thank you for coming with me into the freezer, where every degree counts and every operator makes a difference.